In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Slack in just 5 minutes. Slack is an incredibly powerful tool for team communication and productivity, making it a vital part of modern workplaces. Let's dive right in and get everything up and running smoothly. First, start by opening your web browser and navigate to slack.com. This is the main website where you'll access Slack's suite of tools. Once you're there, you'll notice a welcoming interface designed to guide you on your Slack journey. Now, before doing anything else, you'll need to sign in or create an account. The simplest way is to click on the option to sign in with Google. This method not only speeds up the process, but also ensures your Google account is seamlessly integrated with Slack, thus easing future logins. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Slack dashboard. This hub is crucial as it will serve as the central point for all your communications and tasks within Slack. Don't rush here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout and available options. It will make you feel more comfortable as you move through subsequent steps. From the dashboard, locate and click on your profile. Here, you can adjust your settings to personalize your experience. Customization in Slack is essential because it enhances how you communicate and collaborate with your team. After setting up your profile, the next step is to create a new workspace. A workspace in Slack is essentially where all your channels and team communications happen. It acts like your virtual office and is crucial for organization. Once you initiate the creation of a new workspace, you'll be prompted to name it. Choose a name that reflects the essence or the main focus of the tasks and projects you aim to collaborate on. It's important to get this right because it sets the tone for the workspace's purpose and can help team members immediately understand the theme or objective the moment they join. With your workspace named, the next step is to set up channels. Channels are specific spaces within your workspace where focused conversations happen. Click on the option to create a channel and make sure to name it based on the topic it will house, be it project updates, team meetings, or casual chats. Each channel should serve a distinct function, helping keep all discussions relevant and organized. That covers the basics of setting up Slack for efficient team collaboration. Remember, as you continue using Slack, you'll discover more features and integrations that can enhance your working experience. Setting up Slack may just take 5 minutes, but its benefits will certainly impact your productivity in the long run. Enjoy your new workspace.